Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from NumberGuru step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from NumberGuru, first go to their website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Do Not Sell My Personal Information link. You will be redirected to the BeenVerified opt-out page. An on-screen notification will appear. Just click the green Do Not Sell My Info button. In order to complete your opt-out, you will need to search for your personal record. In the fields provided, enter your first name, last name, state where you live from the drop-down, and then click the green Search button. Browse through the search results and find your personal profile. Click the green Proceed to Opt-out button on the right corner of your profile. Enter your email address into the space provided, complete the security CAPTCHA, then click the green Send Verification Email button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from BeenVerified. Open the email and click the green Verify Opt-out button. An on-screen message will appear indicating your successful opt-out. Remember, BeenVerified handles opt-outs from NumberGuru. You will receive a confirmation email later notifying you that your profile has been successfully removed. Congratulations on opting out of NumberGuru. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.